In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off battery optimization, Microsoft Authenticator. If you rely on Microsoft Authenticator for sign-ins and approvals, turning off battery optimization is an easy tweak that makes a big difference. It helps push notifications arrive instantly, prevents delays or failed prompts, and keeps the app running properly in the background, so you're not stuck waiting when you need to log in. There are two reliable ways to do this on Android. Let's start with the most common approach from your phone's system settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Look for Apps, or it may be labeled Apps and Notifications depending on your phone. In the list, find and tap Microsoft Authenticator. Next, open the battery section for this app. Here you'll see options that control how aggressively your phone saves power. Choose Unrestricted if you see it. On some phones, the option is called Don't Optimize, and on others, it might be Allow Background Activity. Select the option your phone provides that clearly allows the app to run freely in the background. This change tells Android not to cut off Authenticator when it's trying to deliver a login prompt. If you don't immediately see battery options on that screen, some manufacturers place these controls a little deeper. On brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, or Oppo, it may be under Special App Access or Battery Usage Limits. Navigate there and apply the same setting for Microsoft Authenticator so it isn't optimized or restricted. You can also turn this off directly inside the Microsoft Authenticator app. Open the app, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner, and select the option that says Turn Off Battery Optimization. Your phone will show a confirmation prompt, and you'll want to tap Allow. This is a quick shortcut that takes you straight to the permission you need without digging through settings. A few important notes while you do this. Some work or school-managed phones may have administrator rules that block changes to battery optimization. If that's the case, you might not be able to modify this setting yourself and will need to follow your organization's policy. Also, for full reliability, your device may require that background activity be allowed in addition to disabling optimization. If you see a toggle for Allow Background Activity, make sure it's enabled so the app can stay active when the screen is off. That's it. With battery optimization turned off from Microsoft Authenticator, you should receive approvals promptly and avoid sign-in delays. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to confirm your settings so you're ready the next time you need to log in.